Recording the sewer line here at 11519 17th Ave Northeast, Seattle, Washington. Date's April 21st, 2020. Recording this from the toilet flange here towards the back of the house. What you're looking at here is the Seattle City main line running up and down 17th out there. Water flowing down larger diameter pipes. So this is the responsibility of Seattle, the city of Seattle. Everything back from here is going to be the responsibility of the homeowner here at 11519. I'm going to zero out the footage and we'll get a look at the line coming back towards the house here. So coming back into 6-inch concrete. Rotate the screen here. Rotate it again. Transition out there where it goes from 4-inch diameter to 6-inch. A little bit difficult to tell.
Is that 6-inch?
Yeah, I think this is our. Usually it's two seams pretty close to each other, and those are less than a foot apart right there.
Yeah.
And you can kind of tell because of the way how high up on the sides of the pipe that aggregate part's going, so we're pretty low there. And you come, so we're looking at about 30 feet of 6-inch line, and then coming back into 4-inch now. So let's get out there. Zero the footage. 30 feet of 6-inch, now we're coming back through 4-inch. Turn side if I want to. Keep coming back for now. Turn there. We're going to go locate that turn and get a depth here. I'm going to pause the video.
Yeah.
Alright, coming back further from that turn there.
Do you see that other?
Yep, there's the tie-in. That's the old abandoned line there.
We should have another turn, right? Is that turn?
Yep. Let's go. Just to double check it. Let's go see where that's at. Pausing the recording again on this turn. Okay, back on here. Coming back from the turn up there at the, what is that, northeast corner of the house. Now we're coming back along the side of the home. inside there. One more. Okay, we're back, finishing the recording up here. Well, alright, there's your cast to concrete transition there. So we're looking at about 80 feet of 4-inch liner and 30 feet of 6-inch liner. End the recording there.